YouTube. It's been a long minute, baby girl. Haven't seen y'all niggas in a minute. How y'all been? How you are? How are y'all? I'm good. Thanks for asking. So, today, luckily, we're on our way to go get our new knife. We're gonna go to Sharp Knife in Toronto. Never been there before. Only really seen them online. Checked them out for a little bit. They got some good shits going on there. But yeah, just thought it'd be fun. You guys come with me and do some knife shopping. Other than that, how y'all, I know I asked you guys how you been, but type it down below, what you guys been up to? Even though there's only maybe 5 people watching this shit right now, let me know. But nah, I'm just playing. Yeah, I'm on my way to Sharp Knife. I think that's what it's called, Sharp Knife, Toronto. But yeah, it's fucking not very far from us. I just got back from my deployment situation, so first day free, fucking feeling amazing. Fuck, finished it yesterday. Shit's going up. Now I just got prepared for the next stages of my life, so follow me today. Oh, come light my fire again. I threw the party of the century, and people came over, no one left sober, and it was all for you. It was all for you. Bro, I don't care what anybody says. I sound like Rod motherfucking Wave. Rod Darius Green, baby. Yeah. Alright, so we here. I see Sharp. I've been waiting for this moment for so long, bro. 2.5 months. Every single day I was away, I've been trying to figure out, alright, when we get here, how the fuck are we gonna really do this shit for real? Because knives aren't cheap. Especially chefs know, if you want a good Japanese knife, you gotta pay some bread. So, my hands are dry. So let's do this. People are in there, they're looking around, Wow. Let's go see what we can get. Even if we can't walk out of here with anything, I have some knives in mind I'm looking for, to be exact. But let's go see what they have. I'm excited. Alright, let's go into this motherfucker. Oh. Yeah, bro. New day, new fucking... Be on some grinding for some chef shit now. One of my good friends from fucking college, she's giving me her smoker today. I'm about to go pick that up after we finish here. Other than that, bro, I'm gonna drop some pictures in this vlog, show you guys what I've been up to for the last couple months in the lab. The lab I call my cooking spot. When I was on deployment, it was for a course to basically get leadership skills and shit like that. So I'll drop some pictures in the video as we go, so that you guys see kind of what I've been up to. But yeah, they got knife rolls in here too. I could just probably cop a knife roll in here too. All right, I'm gonna put you guys down so you can turn you guys around. So here's one option. We got, what did we say this one's called?
Sakon Ginga Santoku.
One more time. Sakon
Ginga.
Ginga
Yes,
Santoku. Okay, this is nice. I was seen online you guys had a light handle one.
Light handle?
Yeah, you guys had a light handle. I think it was something along. This one is beautiful too.
Yeah, just remind on the top shadow was carbon knife.
What's the difference?
They're gonna get rust.
These ones get rust.
Yeah, you need to keep wipe down and then they will change color.
Oh, okay. No.
They're using.
No, I don't want that. That's for sure.
So you
less rust, the better.
On the bottom or second one, yeah.
Okay. So it's nice too. I kind of like this.
Are you doing YouTube?
Yeah, I do YouTube.
Oh.
It's about my journey to become a chef. So, hence why we're here.
That is my pick.
This one?
Yeah, so the price point.
Mm-hmm.
And then, as you can see, the handle is really nice wood.
Yeah, I like this.
The handle itself like 100%.
I just want to see how myself on a natural form. Not on a cut or anything. I just want to feel it. It's a nice knife. What do we think, guys? What are we thinking? So I like this one and then the first one you showed me. Those are probably my 2 favorites so far.
The second biggest hunter too.
Oh yeah, that guy's great.
Yeah. This one, you can
And
put
then-
down and compare.
Yeah,
Where is it?
it was right here. There you go.
This is the silver number 3 steel. This is VG10. They are like I can say mostly the same. Yeah.
Basically the same.
Yeah, like 61 hard work.
He's going for 218.
213.
Oh,
And you said sharpenings on you guys as well?
Yeah, the first sharpening. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then if I want to get sharpened here every single time after that?
Yeah, it would be $15 as
Oh,
long
okay.
as you don't have
That's
any
nothing
like
then.
major chip repairs.
Okay, that's cool. I think we got our knife, guys. This is cool. Mm. And then if I want to get, how much would it be for one utility knife as well if I'm just gonna be here and get it all
Yeah,
one time?
my favorite right now is this guy. I have one. That one is really nice shape. If you like a smaller 135.
Yeah, my hands are pretty small, so I can't
Yeah,
I have
I like
a
really
huge
nice,
knife.
Yeah, so that's my favorite. But
This one?
a lot of people like these two. So just the price. A lot of our chef guys, if you like longer, they like this one and then this one.
No, I definitely like the smaller.
Yeah, and then that guy, I would say is nice.
How much would it be for both of them together?
Both of them, the Morokuchi Petty, so 160 plus 215, and just under 400.
It's a cool store. They got some shit in here.
That one is not on sale, but I can put 10%
Okay.
for that petty knife. Give me a second. 356 after tax 402.
402 after tax? Let's see. You know what? Both? That's pretty cheap for both. Oh my
Yeah.
god.
It's a good deal.
It is, it is. Let me get both then.
Okay, let me check if they have new ones in that guy that I hear.
Alright guys, I got some shit in here. I got some knife rolls and shit. This is the one I've been kind of looking for too. A leather knife though. Might probably come back here and get one of those. They got all the knives in here though. I just caught 2 sick knives for less than $500, bro. And they sell the handles by themselves. I can always switch them out later on. Bro, these niggas are charging me a pretty penny, but I'm gonna get the discount every time I can get a discount. So let's just drop this bag real quick. I guess I'll get loud later. Shit, trying to get smoke up with my my homie from college, but it's all good. She's pretty sure she got weed. If not, I'll just pick up my smoker and call it Judge. Anyways, let's go pick up these knives. I'll show you guys my knives later. Looking for some people to for sure to collab with. We got the knives, bro. Man's running me up and we out of here. Well, thank you guys very much.
Happy cooking, chef. Take
Thank you.
care. Bye.
I'll definitely make sure to collab with you guys soon, hopefully. Bye. Ah, we got the knives, baby. I got the package in the bag. Got the package in the bag. What you guys saying? I've been waiting at least 3 years for this motherfucker, okay? 3 years. We're waiting to get my shit together and ready to go. I don't give a fuck what anybody gotta say to me no more, bro. I'm up. I'm doing what I gotta do, and I'm living how I need to live right now. I'm so fucking happy. You don't understand, bro. I'm so fucking excited for these knives. Whew. When I get to my friend's crib, or even when I get back to my crib, I will show you guys my knives. For now, though, just know we got the juice, we got a sauce. We got a juice, we got a sauce. And now I know these niggas are real. I thought their website was fake. Why am I still singing? Bro, why am I still singing? Anyways, the whole time I was looking at these knives online, bro, when I tell you I thought these niggas were fake, like, fake as fuck. I didn't know. I'm like, your guys' shit's too cheap to be real shit. But, bro, their shit's nice. And they just give me a 10% discount off rip. Yo, I like these guys. If you guys see Sharp Knife? Yeah, Sharp Knife in Toronto, go hit them up. They're fucking doing some real good shit in there, and they're nice people, bro. So, after I show you guys my review, let me know what you guys think. Till next time, though. Alright, I gotta just go run and get this little situation for my friend there. She's gonna run to a quick LC, Get her probably water or some shit like that. But yeah, when we're done doing this, we'll get back to the next stage. Haven't seen her in a minute, so this should be fun. See what turnip she's on tonight. Is it just me, or like when did LSPO start not handing out bags for liquor? I don't remember that happening, bro. Last time I checked, they've always had paper bags to put some shit in. Bro, I had a cop looking at me the whole time. I walking out the store with no bag in my fucking hand. All right, bet. That's how we move shit now. That's how we're gonna move shit now. Shit makes it easier for me. Anyways, all right, I'm off to my dog's house now. You guys can't see shit up. It's too fucking dark. Anyways, I'm off to my dog's house now. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Yo. Yo, I just left my friend's crib, bro. With the goodies. Yo, shout out to her, bro. She got me a smoker. Well, she gave me her smoker. And she lovely. Is that a good word? I don't know. She was kind enough, bro. Whatever. To give me the fucking, this molecular gastronomy shit. Bro, I'm about to have so much fucking fun. Oh, these arches are tough. Yeah, she was right. I see the vibes, the vision. All right, we gotta head back up the street, go to the next location. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Well, actually, nah. I guess I can talk to y'all niggas. I'm just right here. Fuck, I'm not even going far for real. But yeah, I gotta run back over. I was like, I don't know, I'm scared to talk, but I'm not scared to talk. I'm also fried. She's smoking some different weed, bro. That shit had me frizzled. I thought a spliff. One spliff one time. Never had that done before. That quick, but I fuck with it. Honestly, I wish my friend all the best. Because her life is really in an upward motion right now, and I'm really happy for her. So, yeah. There's that. But I gotta go up, back to the crib, show you guys my knives. And yeah, I don't know. But I'm pretty fried right now, if you guys can't tell. But anyways, yeah. So we're gonna go back up and show you guys my knives when I get back to the crib. I'll show you guys those. And other than that, like I said, I'm gonna have to see you guys in this clip because I don't really know what to say next besides the two little things me have to say. Now I say them, now I don't know what else to say. God damn. I felt good to say that out loud because I try my best to be cute with it. This is bothering me so much. This shit right here. It always decides to come at moments I don't need it to come. And now it's coming. I'm gonna drive, yeah? Because here we are. I'm joking. I have issues deep down inside. All the time. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I show you guys my next. Yo. Alright, so on my way down, bro, I just have to stop for some food real quick because nigga like me is getting a little hungry. Whoa, I'm starting like a motherfucker. Got a little munchies, you know, after that shit, so just want to get a quick little pizza, medium half and half. Nothing crazy. Hi. Can I get your guys' pickup special? The medium?
Pickup?
Yeah, that medium pickup special.
Yeah, the walking.
Yeah.
The medium?
Can I get half cheese, half pepperoni? The medium, yeah. And can I get 2 bags of Ruffle chips, all dressed, and then
You want 2 medium?
no, 1 medium.
Half cheese and half pepper.
Yeah, half pepperoni, yeah.
And
Then can I get 2 bags of Ruffles, all dressed?
which one?
The Ruffles, yeah. And then can I get 1 creamy garlic and 1 peppercorn ranch? Then can I get
Sorry.
it's all good. And can I get 1 Nestea? And that's everything. Thank you. How long? Like 10 minutes?
It's like 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, thanks. I'll be back. Yeah. Got that pizza. Getting a little fucking food in and shit. Bro, I'm excited to eat this motherfucker because that drive was hectic, boy. Well, not really. It's chill when you have some good music, some good tunes going. Other than that, fucking, it's chill for real. Yeah. Catch you guys when you get back to the crib. Bro. You ever just want to burst out into song and just fucking... I think what's like molecular gastronomy shit should I start looking into making? I'm gonna have to create a short form for molecular gastronomy. From now on, I say that whole thing every time out loud. I do want to try to make my lime and black pepper foam, but I don't know. We will see. See which tastes good. There's a watermelon I can make. I can do lemon sorbet. Shay gave me a foamer. Like I can make my own foams and spheres. And those silicone shits. It's pretty dope. Ugh. Yeah, I want to see which one I can make. Drop down below which ones you guys would make and what flavor combinations you guys would do. That's good. You started? Alright, so we got the moment of truth, baby. These are my 2 Japanese knives I bought today. I don't actually know the correct pronunciation of any of these, so don't blame me. I know one is a chef knife and one is a utility knife. I think it's a Santoku and a don't remember. Anyway, so this is kind of what I went to my friends to get. A smoker. For those of you who know, you know. I got some different wood flavors too. Here I got apple, cherry wood, and hickory. Give me some different scents and shit. Let's see what they look like. Okay, well, like apple, kinda. What is hickory like? This is the classic barbecue. Kind of smells the exact same. I guess all wood smells the same. Didn't think that. This is for sweet and delicate cherry wood. Smells like wood. But no, I really appreciate her for giving me that. Shit. And here's what I was talking about before. So basically, I can make foams, spheres, and little like, I don't know, silicone little dip thingies. But yeah, it's like a whole kit. It's pretty tough. I'll do a video on this specifically when I get some more pieces and shit later down the line. So subscribe to see that. Other than that, let's go into the moment we've all been really waiting for here. Here's my knives. Start with the utility. Come closer, come closer. So you see the... Whoo! Got the handle in that bitch. Oh. Nice dark to light wood. And boom, baby. Pretty sexy ass utility knife. Like, imagine all the things I can cut with this. Imagine all the things I can cut with this. Like, it'd be fucking crazy. Alright, I'm gonna put that right back in. We're gonna do a little cutting test after I'm done here. And this is the prize possession.
That's funny, that's spit.
My camera woman's head is spitting up in it, so it's not the view, the color. Don't worry about it. I'm just joking. But look at this. We got nice, sexy dark wood. Can you zoom in a little bit? Zoom out. Get those nice angles on that camera. Oh yeah. Or on this knife. See all that craftsmanship in there? Oh my goodness. Like, look how sharp that is. Like, point to tip, just, my gosh. They put a lot of time into this. So the place I got these knives is called, what is it called? Let's check what the store is called. I believe it's Sharp. I just want to get the name right. This is my favorite receipt. Let's get the name right. Or just see. Okay. Yeah, so I was right. It's called Sharp Knife Shop. So if you guys are ever in Toronto and want to fucking get some good ass, not that expensive ass knives, like I only spent $402.74 today on 2 knives. You know, like, that's not crazy. But yeah, if you guys are ever in Toronto and want to get some knives and stuff, hit up Sharp Knife Shop. Sharp Knife Shop. They got that shit in there. All right, now come, let's go get that cutting test going. I don't want to use it, bro. Like, I want to frame this shit. Anyways, I'm gonna rinse it off real quick so that no bacteria. Did you see that? I didn't look, no pressure. Oh my gosh. This bitch is a beauty. Alright, let's do the next one. Oh my goodness. This knife is gonna be crazy right now. I'm excited for this one. I like these little petty knives. They're like, you know, small, quick. Straight cut too? Like, I'm not even cutting it straight, but god damn, this shit is sharp. Like, no resistance, and I need a potato. 1 second. Oh my god. That is insane. No resistance, nothing. Just straight clean cutting, bro. Oh, we still have some this. Amazing. If this cuts, if this cuts through the potato that quick, I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna scream because I'm not ready for it. That's gonna be crazy, bro. These knives are absolutely insane. All right. Now let's see. A potato, just straight knives. Did you see that? How fucking fast that shit was? Bro, you're kidding me right now. Wait. Okay, we got a little resistance on the, with the bigger, the Santoku. Let's try it again. Oh yeah, we got a little resistance, but I think it's just because we're getting closer to the middle of that. All right, so the knives have been confirmed sharp, bro. Sharp. Holy fuck, I'm excited to use these motherfuckers. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. It was been a great journey to figure out, or not figure out, to go and find my, to go and get my new chef knives. We got 2, the Petty and the Santoku. But yeah, I'm fucking excited as hell, bro. Make some fire munchies food with this bitch. Until I see you guys next time though, Chef D's out. Chef D.